Hi everyone, welcome back to Guidezen, and today we learn how we can how we can delete our WhatsApp number from Facebook account. It's very simple and quite easy. You just need to follow some simple steps. But first of all, I request do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips, tricks, and secret hacks. You need to open your Facebook, then you need to click on the right top corner of your profile, and here you need to choose your profile, your home, your profile. Okay, and I want to remove the WhatsApp number from my Facebook ID from my account. I request just open Facebook, then go a little down. Here you need to choose settings and privacy. Okay, once you come on settings, then again click on settings. I just want to remove the WhatsApp number. You need to click on account center, and here you can see my number is showing there. Okay, I want to remove that number. Just click here again, and on the third option, WhatsApp is available. Just click there, and here go to WhatsApp settings to edit your profile. Okay, just go a little back, and here you need to go a little down, and on the last one, accounts. On accounts you need to click on accounts and go a little down. On the third option is WhatsApp. Okay, just clicking on remove, just tapping on remove, and again click on remove account. You can easily delete and remove WhatsApp from your Facebook account. I hope this short video is helpful, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Goodbye, best of luck.